In this video, I will show you how to create a Wise account in India. So in order to create a Wise account, simply you have to visit wise.com, and after that here you can see on the top right side register option. So just simply you have to click on register. So after that you will move to next page. So simply type your email here, and after that you can click on next. So you can sign up through Google, Facebook or your Apple account. So simply just click on the next option. So here two options available: personal account or business account. So if you have business related account, so simply you can open your business account. So in my case I will open personal account. Simply just click here. So after that, when you click here, the next step, you need to verify your phone number. So in my case I don't have Indian cell phone number, so simply just select your country here. Like in this case we have the option for India, so simply just click on India, click on continue. So after that, here you have to type the Indian cell phone number and you will receive a verification code on your cell phone number. So in this way you can easily create a Wise account in India.